Patrick, thanks for hopping on the call. If you wouldn't mind just giving a quick introduction into who you are and what you do.
Yeah, I'm Patrick. I have a window cleaning company, Green Window Cleaning. Cover commercial and residential properties up here in Salt Lake, Park City, and Utah County.
Okay, cool. And where were you in your business when you came to work with me? Like, what problems or challenges were you facing at that time?
Our main issue was website development and marketing. It was kind of tricky just finding. We kept getting the snake oil salesman that would, promise us one thing and then under deliver. And it was just kind of a revolving door around that, which we were to hit our growth margin that we wanted to see that was optimal, that we needed to find somebody who actually would deliver on what they said they would deliver on.
Next, yeah. There's a lot of that in, I think, every industry almost. But so then how have you enjoyed your experience in working with me so far?
Super smooth, easy and smooth. I mean, it's the number one thing I think a small business owner looks for in working with somebody from another company is simplicity and something, works around everybody's schedule, smooth, it's easy to work with, all those fun things.
Okay, cool. Love that. So, so what has been your biggest like aha moment that you've had since working with me?
I mean, basically just the growth that we're seeing, especially this year. We've quadrupled what we did last year and the year prior, just this year, and it's May. So that's been working. And also just, I think a lot of people are really impressed with the website. I get it all the time. People always ask me who did it, how did they do it? Or I just get compliments from other business owners that are reaching out to get residential or commercial window cleaning. They're always like, your website is super smooth. It's easy. It's professional. And they always ask me if I did it. And then I'm like, no, I didn't do that. Somebody had to help me with that. So always referring.
That's awesome. Yeah, I didn't actually know that you've like quadrupled business. That's pretty wild.
Yeah, it's wild right now. It's we haven't even touched last year's client list, and it's kind of going bananas.
Yeah, that opens up a whole nother realm of issues, but good kinds of issues.
Yeah.
So I guess we kind of already talked about this a little bit, but what kind of results have you seen since optimizing your online presence and implementing some of the marketing strategies?
I think it's just new clients, um, new clients from our targeted areas, which is super important because you can get 10 clients in our business that, aren't the best prototypical clients. They don't bring they don't have the biggest houses, but with our targeted locations, we're kind of seeing a jump from, our average last year was about 285. And this year our running average is jumped up to 365. So that jump is a major contributor to our income.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. And so how has all of this changed the way that you look at your window cleaning business moving forward?
It's actually something that it started off as something to kind of supplement income as like a secondary option. But I think now it's a mainstream income that is lucrative enough to just kind of focus on and hopefully be able to retire off of. So that switch happened, especially this year, to where I could kind of figure out that, okay, this is something lucrative that can sustain a family, and do all that fun stuff.
That's awesome. Awesome. Cool. Yeah, those are all the questions that I had for this testimonial interview. So I really appreciate you taking the time.
Yeah.
Cool.